This hot air engine was made by a gentleman by the name of Ron Pearlberg. He built this in 1965. I think this is a number 61, the serial number. So I don't know how many he built, but it has a little water bowl on the top that you fill with water to give the cooling on the top, or the heat's on the bottom. I'll start this one up for you. I already have the flame in it. There you see it, it's slowly rotating. It's all brass, every part of this is brass. I bought this down at Cabin Fever at the auction. That was last year. They didn't have the Cabin Fever this year because of the pandemic. But it's a nice running engine. It's so quiet. It makes absolutely no noise. And it'll run for a long while like that with no problem. There it is, a model 61, serial number 61. And it's made by R. Pearlberg. I think it's Ron Pearlberg, but I'm not sure about that. It got a close-up view of it. It had a little bit of a water leak, so I had to put some RTV on there, some high-temp high TV, to keep it from leaking out. And now it runs beautiful. I also had to drill these holes around the side because it got so hot. The whole hot engine was too hot to even get near. And now it has a place for that heat to go out. There you go. The R. Pearlman, all brass, hot air engine, manufactured and $420.95. I hope you like it. I'll have others to show you.